What's up, everybody? Kingsley Breaks here. We just filled up 2018-19 Hit Parade Autograph Hat Trick Hockey Hobby Box Series 2 McDavid, Messier, or 1 box break 2 random teams number 4. 1 autograph, jersey, puck, and photo per box. Same as the rest of the breaks. 15 total spots, 2 random teams. No Vegas Golden Knights. Non-hits and Vegas Golden Knight hits that do get pulled in this break will be randomized to the group. You guys know the deal. No need to explain it much more now. Dice roller, Jack at the top, ending with Jason, Last Spot Mojo, Ducks, all the way down to the Jets, no Vegas Golden Knights. And then here's the list. Roll it. A 5 and a 1 6 times on the randomizer for the names and the teams. Good luck 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and final time. 6 times. Roll to 6. Jason at the top, Jason at the bottom. There we go. 6 times now on the list of teams. 1, 2. I think got stuck. There we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 times. Penguins at the top, all the way down to the Ducks. Alright, so Jason, Penguins, Devils. Jack with the Bruins. M. Lake with the Red Wings, Senators, as well as the Capitals. Jason with the Kings, Last Spot Mojo. M. Lake with the Flames. Jason with the Avalanche. M. Lake with the Hurricanes, Canadians, Blues. Jason, you have the Rangers, Blackhawks, Sabres. M. Lake with the Blue Jackets. You got Jason with the Preds, Colin with the Leafs, Jason with the Lightning, Jack with the Oilers, Colin with the Wild, Jack with the Islanders. Jason with the Winnipeg Jets, Last Spot Mojo. Jack with the Sharks. Jason with the Stars, Canucks, Flyers. M. Lake with the Panthers, Yotes. Jason, you have the Ducks right there at the bottom. Alright, we'll alphabetize this. And border that. And I'll give you guys a quick minute or so to make any trades. Let me put up number 5 in the store. Numero 5. Remember that Bowman Chrome HTA is down to 21, guys. You can definitely get that one moving after this. Alright, well, I'm assuming no trades then. Alright, everybody's good. It's tough making a trade. Alright, and just in case you missed the randomizing part, your team should be scrolling down there at the bottom. And here they are again right here. Last Spot Mojo Kings for Jason in number 4. And the Winnipeg Jets. Alright, there's the box right there. And number 95 of 100. Series 2. Alright. so you guys can see that. It's a little quicker. Can't get the photo. But the photo we have is, I think it's Nemestikov, right? No, Mikhail Sergachev, sorry. Tampa Bay Lightning going to Jason. Nice. Traded to the Lightning this year, or this past season, right? That's nice. For Montreal. Current uniform right there. There you go, Jason, with the Lightning. I think I spotted the puck right here on this side. And we have... This is the Quebec Nordiques, Marian Stastny. Oh, is that Paul Stastny's dad? That's cool. Oh, yeah, that's Quebec Nordiques, right, logo? Yeah. So there you go. So that'll go to the Colorado Avalanche, Jason. There you go, man. Remember, the Quebec Nordiques became the Colorado Avalanche. So, Colorado, going to you, man. Jason. Taking 2 of the 3 hits so far. There you go. I think you guessed it right, Colin. I think you did. Put that right over there. An Alexander Ovechkin autographed jersey for the Capitals. Oh, that is nice right there. Ovi. There's the JSA. I don't want to open it up just because it's nicely folded already, so I'm just gonna leave it in there. But there's the ink, there's the COA, JSA, Alexander Ovechkin, Washington Capitals going to Michael Lake. There you go, M. Lake. Nice. 2 for 2 on these jersey breaks. There you go, man. Congrats. And nothing else in here, it looks like. Usually, you know what? Have you guys ever seen that, guys? I see that sometimes Hit Parade will put like autographed pens of the players that signed for them in the boxes. I feel like I never see that. I hear that those are extremely rare. I'm like, I've done many of these before. I feel like should have pulled one by now, but I don't know if you guys have seen that. So there you go. 95 was a good box. There you go. Alright, so that was number 4. I think number 5 is already in the store, guys. If you guys want to try to work on the next one, I'm down. We still have a little bit of time left. A little over an hour and a half, 2 hours. But next one's already in the store. Kingsley, we're down to 21 in Bowman Chrome HTA Choice 3-box break, random teams, number 1. I did put in Bowman Chrome personal box breaks there on the website as well. Kingsley breaks, we'll see you.